Okay, so this time I pull this out from a small space dehumidifier that I had. The cold side is here. I poked a hole into this bottle. We are going to dry into a much smaller space. This definitely should work. I just want to start small, placing a dehumidifier, hygrometer here, and I'll connect and we'll see. So I just connected it. This one is consuming about 30 watts of energy, and let's see if it's 68% gets lower. Let's be back in half an hour and an hour. This is 1 hour later. Can see the relative humidity went down, but the temperature went up, and the bottle feels warmer. It's because this side here, the hot side, is actually very hot, and there is a heat transfer between the hot side of the peltier and the bottle. So looks like we have to take care of that too. I'm now going to open to check if there is any humidity inside on the cold side. That would be nice. Well, cold side is not really cold actually. That's a problem. Yeah, cold side is not cold at all. Too much heat transfer. No, this is very bad. The cold side is actually very hot. It's almost like I cannot hold it. If I put my fingers there, there is more contact surface. I'm gonna burn myself. Not good at all. So the Peltier module seems to work, even though it was very hot to the touch. The cold side was hot to the touch earlier. Here I have to let it cool down and then turn it on, and we can see it's catching humidity. You can see the water here. So perhaps the cooling of the hot side wasn't good enough and the efficiency dropped. So I'll give it another try by installing a cooler on the other side. I have to say that outside of the box, this works very well. You see all those droplets of water, right? All that humidity this is catching. So with the fan, the hot side does not appear to be as hot, so hopefully that's all I missed. I'm gonna try again. Okay, we're trying one more time. I'm not sure how reliable that little thing is because right now it's jumping off. Power is on. I tried to clean the fins, but why is it jumping to 80%? There was still some water in the fins. Let's keep it running and see what happens. Okay, let's try this again. I just turned the system on. I know there's a bit of humidity in the box because, well, by mistake I plugged the Peltier backwards. So I was warming the box, which means that humidity went to 80%. Let's see now if it goes down. We have a fan cooling the hot side, which is quite hot. And let's check that in half an hour. 30 minutes later, and the humidity seems to have stabilized at 32%. So that's all right, that's good. So what prevents me from plugging this into the big box now? Okay, so I'm reproducing the contraption here. Right now, the relative humidity in the box is 57. So the air in this box comes out of this here, goes into the cold side, comes back. We have this pump and it's pushed here. Everything goes fine. We should see this little fella going down. Right? So let's check in half an hour. All right, so this has been going on for about an hour now, and still working. The bottle feels slightly cold to the touch, and we can see here that the humidity went down to 38% for room temperature of 34. So it's like the air comes warmer, but less humidity. If I compare with my other reader here, 32.9 degrees, so it's warmer but less humidity. So